one of the added value of the ECSF is that because it can guide the member states in order to prepare their personnel.
The framework is a key tool for the implementation of the policies regarding cybersecurity.
So ECSF for us, it was a very important instrument in the moment we created this project because it helped us have a bigger picture of how these courses should look.
So by using the ECSF as a reference, we are able to map the training content to the specific needs, skills, competencies and responsibilities required across the different cybersecurity professional profiles defined within the framework.
The impact from the ECSF we expect is that it will help us design better and implement better the solutions we are building.
I'm very excited and very happy that Europe has ECSF, a framework that actually is simple, easy, and as we saw for the workshop, people apply it because of its simplicity.
ECSF is going to be the fundamentals of the well-structured knowledge and professions of the future.